Hello and welcome. I'm here today to interview comedian Sara Pascoe about her first book, Animal. Sara, I enjoyed the book very much. Did you enjoy writing it? No. You're obviously very passionate about issues that affect women. Where do you think that comes from? I don't know. You're not a scientist, are you, by background, yet there's quite a lot of research in the book. Did you find that interesting? Yes. What's your favourite part of the book? I don't know. Are you always this difficult in interviews?